Hello and welcome back. So this is going to be the review for the natural gas. But before going to look at that, if anyone wants to join us, just simply visit the wave-trader.com. All right, now let's get back to the natural gas. So natural gas is pushing more higher nicely. So we were expecting natural gas to bounce back from the lows. Let me get back to the old chart. This is the old chart. All right, so we were expecting natural gas was rising after buying from the bottom of the daily bottom. So people are not interested in the natural gas, but the natural gas is a very easy chart to trade. Obviously it's having a higher margin requirements, but it's cheap and it's at a good spot to keep buying every time it comes to low, comes and test those areas, test the bottoms. The reason is very much simple that we're gonna see bounce off from the natural gas. You guys know that the winter is coming and Europe is facing the shortage. All right, so they may look to fill up their reserves, so that can cause the natural gas to stay elevated for upside. So that's what causing natural gas to bounce off from the lows. All right, people are less interested to trade on natural gas. Yeah, so natural gas is bouncing back from the lows. There we can see that the natural gas bounced off. We were expecting it to rise from the lows, so that was the update. And we also have a short on it when it was hitting the short-term target within the channel, but still breaking through that triangle. We can see that there is the move. Okay, there is the move. So very strong aggressive move. So let's watch this short-term video, and then we're gonna talk about what can happen setting up over there. Okay, so that was the previous video analysis, and we can clearly see that the natural gas came, tagged, and bounced off. So you're paying attention clearly, right? So price came, went into that 4-hour correction, then broke out nicely, dropped again, and was correcting again, and then dropped, and then again bounced off. So it is in a buy zone, so where you're paying attention the natural gas to hold and go back up. Make sure you understand before buying the natural gas that the margin requirements may be higher on the natural gas for buying. So in case if we see that the natural gas is going to break below this floor, okay, and visiting somewhere there within these areas 199 or 2 mark, so this is not going to change that. So if this breaks down, let the price stop you out. Don't hold that trade. All right, let the price stop you out and look for buy as much low as you can. So if you're gonna hold this for longer term, price to get a bag, you may pay more on your margin. So make sure you understand that. All right, so margin requirements may be higher from your broker. So it's just simply sitting up at the floor. Buy opportunities, just simply setting up over there, and you're paying attention for the price to bounce off. And short-term target going to be the target is very much clear over there, and the medium-term target, going to be somewhere within these areas. So I don't think so natural gas going to go this much higher, guys, as we know that the central banks, they're fighting with inflation. So this one strong push-up is less likely. So what is more likely is just simply on lower time frame, it's running in a sideways market, and you are trading on that sideways market. Remember, we were expecting a buy opportunity over there at this area. Okay, so we got that next leg. So as long as price keep holding this area, okay, you are expecting these short-term buys, these moves, and that's what you're looking, these moves. If it doesn't continue this time, all right, and fall back again after pushing more higher, at least up to your 1-on-1 risk square ratio, then get out, let the market tag again, keep trading these short-term moves as long as price stay within these sideways markets. Right, so that was the previous video analysis. Like we were having a buy setup over there. Now we clearly can see that the natural gas is just bounced off, and it went up from 2.40 to almost 3. Yeah, so hitting the $3 mark. So what we are expecting from the natural gas right now, so we are not expecting it to continue to keep pushing more higher. Okay, so we may see again a drop from the natural gas. Okay, so the average price is going to be within these areas. So the This is going to be the average price. The max rise we may see from the current going to be, you know, if it goes to 350, yeah, possible. This is possible, but you know, I'll be surprised if it goes to 350 or even 380. So, do we have any setup over there right now? No, we don't have any opportunity right now in the natural gas because it can fall very, very aggressively to the downside, and you shouldn't chase the trend. And there is no logical reason for the natural gas, I mean, to chase the trend except the refilling the reserves from the EU for winter. Okay, so you only looking for dips and then you are buying from the lows. So I don't see at the moment this quick drop, but that can happen at any time. So it can continue to keep pushing more higher or can drag aggressively lower like that. So once we gonna have a dip on it and how that dip gonna look like, then there's gonna be a buy opportunity again on it on the natural gas. So the first buy opportunity we had within these areas, we were looking for these dips to hold and continue to keep pushing more higher. So it's a nice aggressive rally to the upside from the floor. All right. So yeah, it's doing well. So we still may see more upside, and we can see aggressive drop on natural gas at any time. So don't chase that trend. Be ready for if you are into that trade, just watch it and get ready to get out once you see that the sharp sell-off is coming. Thank you.